Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick demonstration to show you what a Printful order looks like once it comes in. I had put in a personal order to have actually about 12 shirts sent to me. And believe it or not, they shipped out yesterday from North Carolina. I am a couple of states away and they arrived today. So that was interesting. I wanted to show you basically what they look like. So they come in these little packages, okay, and on the front it'll tell you what the item is, and I'm kind of hoping that it'll zoom in properly. But anyway, so you can see on the front what it is that actually came in, okay, and I think they showed up in great shape, all right. So if I were to, because I don't want to actually put this camera down, so basically this is the shirt, one of the shirts that I had ordered for myself. And as you can see, it's a Kajikembo shirt. And I designed it so that the Ka, Ju, Ken, and Bo would actually spell out the names of the arts that are involved in this one particular martial art. It's a mixed martial art. But anyway, it looks fantastic. Yeah, it looks fantastic. It's a nice true black. I know it's hard to tell from the glare on my phone. The letters came out beautifully. And so I just wanted to do this little demonstration. If you order something from Printful, you can expect it's going to be good quality. It's going to show up in a quick amount of time. And I think you're going to be very happy with what shows up. All right, so I hope this was helpful. And until next time, take care.